Hi, welcome back for another tips and tricks. So we have a great Acrovan door here that keeps our door protected. But what do we do about our door frames? They get damaged. They require constant painting. Well, the good news is we have an Acrovan door frame protector, which is going to keep those free of damage. But how do we measure for those? That's today's tip and trick. So we're going to start by printing out the CAD drawing for our B series door frame protector. And this is going to show us all the measurements that we're going to require so that we can make it to the right size of this door frame. A couple things that I do want to point out. You'll see here an area for an optional heat stamp required. If this is a fire rated area, we do want to make sure that we are noting that on the tear sheet so that those can be stamped at the time of manufacture. Now, let's get into some measurements. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape my sheet right here so I don't have to keep turning around to put in my measurements. Next thing I want to show you is this digital caliper. So you can take these measurements with a traditional measuring tape, but in some of these areas that are pretty tight, it can be a little tricky to get an accurate measurement. That's why we recommend a digital caliper. So I am going to start just by turning that on. I want to make sure that I am zeroed out and I'm ready to start. So when I come in here and I'm looking at this smaller measurement, what I want to do is I want to start down here at the tail of my digital caliper. I want to come in sideways and I want to make sure that I'm pressing that right against that edge there. That is going to give me a very accurate number for that small space. And I can put that number right here on my tear sheet. When I come in for my next number, I want to bring my caliper in. I want to reset it at 0 to make sure that I'm starting out, again, very accurate. I'm going to bring that out. Again, I'm going to bring this in level to my area. So I want to press this against the edge here. Bring this in till it stops, keeping it level, and that is again going to give me an accurate measurement, which is going to go on my sheet. My next measurement, I do want to start by zeroing out. Once again, I'm going to come in here. I want to come in again very horizontal. I want to make sure that I'm against this edge, and that is my measurement. When I get to this larger area here, I want to reset back to 0. I'm going to bring this open. I'm going to bring this in here. And again, I want to make sure that these areas are very level against the door frame. So keeping those level, bring that in, and that's my number. So again, I'm just going to fill out this tear sheet, making sure I have all the information noted, whether I want just one side, two sides, or I can complete all 3 sides of my door frame. And that's how you measure for a door frame protector.